Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to focus on front kicks, and this is lesson number 7. So we're going to work out of the master position. I'll ask you to again please watch the stretching video, go through the stretching video. It's just a few minutes, but it'll limber you up, especially now that we're moving into kicks. We don't want any lower back injuries of any kind. It's a debilitating injury and it lasts seemingly forever. So we're going to do just a single. It's just going to be a single front kick from the front foot only, and I'll show it to you front and side, and we'll talk about weight distribution because I haven't really, I touched on it earlier in another video, but weight distribution is a little bit more important in this one just because of where we're at. So we're going to work on a master position. So we're here, master position, okay? We're master position, and we're going to go now in a master position. For me, it's 55-45. My heel, my rear heel is always off the ground. My front heel is slightly off the ground, and I'm in a good spot, okay? But we're going to go all the way back, all the way, roll all the way back, 100%, okay? Foot comes up, out, and back down, okay? Same thing on the other side. We're here. We're going to go master position all the way back, 100%, okay? Foot comes up, out, and down. Okay, so to the side, master position to the side, okay, it's the same thing, and you'll see we're going to ease back, 100%, okay, foot comes up, out, and back down, okay, same way here. Master position, we're going to ease all the way back, okay, foot comes up, out, and down. That's it, 55-45. That's pretty much it. That's every angle. And it's a real simple kick. In my system, I do not teach to kick above the waist. In a real-time scenario, in a real street fight, if you kick above the waist, in my opinion only, you're really risking your safety, unless you've done thousands and thousands of them. And I have to tell you, I'm as guilty as anybody else. In the 70s, we all spent hundreds and hundreds of hours trying to copy Bruce Lee's, his really high roundhouse kicks and his really high spinning back kicks to the head because it looks cool, right? But in a real-time scenario, in a real street fight, when you're trying to protect yourself or your family, your wife or your friends, it's, in my opinion, it's not realistic, and that's just my opinion, okay? But everybody's entitled to their own opinion. I just don't teach that. I teach kicks from the waist down, no more, no higher. That's just my preference. So that's it. If you like it, like and subscribe. If not, hey, thanks for giving me a shot. I appreciate it. I appreciate your at least giving me a shot and taking a look at it. So wherever you're at, hopefully you're safe and you're well. Take care. See you next lesson.